network. Greetings to all pioneers. We are the first generation pioneers who have been accompanying the Pi Network project for over 5 years. Throughout this remarkable journey, our community has experienced countless emotions and witnessed significant milestones. Now, we are approaching the final stretch of this journey, as the project nears the end of the enclosed mainnet phase. This phase serves as the final stepping stone before transitioning to open mainnet, achieving complete decentralization on February 20th. In this video, let's take a moment to reflect on Pi Network's birth and evolution over the past half-decade, one of the most vibrant communities in the blockchain and crypto world. Pi Network is known as a Layer 1 blockchain project, with a distinctive technological design and ecosystem, emphasizing community contributions throughout its development. The project has undergone 3 key phases: beta, testnet, and mainnet, each carrying its own significance and achieving remarkable milestones. Phase 1. Beta. From 2018 to 2020. In December 2018, Pi Network launched its application on iOS for the first time to attract pioneers to join the network. On Pi Day, March 14, 2019, Pi Network's draft white paper was published, marking its official debut. During this phase, the application allowed pioneers to mine Pi by contributing to the development and security of the Pi blockchain. By forming security circles necessary for Pi's consensus algorithm, pioneers earned mining rewards. Key achievements of the beta phase. The Pi Network mobile app became available for download on both iOS and Google Play Store. Pi Network attracted over 3.5 million pioneers. The Pi Network community actively engaged with the project through the app's home screen and chat feature. Pi Network expanded its presence to 233 countries and territories worldwide. Phase 2. Testnet. This phase began on March 14, 2020, marking another crucial preparation step for transitioning to a decentralized blockchain. In other words, running testnet nodes was the most highlighted aspect of this phase. During the testnet phase, the network focused on decentralization through testnet nodes, network growth by increasing the number of users, utility creation through the Pi browser platform. Key achievements of the testnet phase. Multiple versions of the node software were released. The initial ecosystem was developed, including the Pi Wallet, Pi Browser, Brainstorm, and developer tools. The trial version of the KYC application was introduced on Pi Browser. Pi Network hosted its first global online hackathon with thousands of pioneers participating. The network expanded to over 30 million pioneers. Pi Network reached almost every country and territory worldwide. Phase 3. Mainnet. In December 2021, Pi Network's blockchain mainnet was deployed. The mainnet consists of 2 key phases: closed mainnet and open mainnet. The next phase, closed mainnet. This phase began in December 2021. During this phase, the network operated with a firewall restricting external connections. Pioneers could take the time to complete KYC and migrate their Pi to the mainnet blockchain. Any Pi transferred to the mainnet could be used at the pioneer's discretion for purchases in Pi applications, transfers to other pioneers, or locking up for higher mining rewards. KYC verified pioneers could freely use their Pi on the mainnet. However, at this stage, connections between the Pi blockchain and other blockchains were not yet allowed. This phase also helped the community focus on creating utility and developing the ecosystem without external distractions, aligning with Pi core team's vision of enabling a fully functional ecosystem. This allowed applications to deploy on mainnet and generate utilities for pioneers. Furthermore, the closed mainnet enabled the network to operate with real data and actual Pi. Unlike testnet, data collected during this period helped fine-tune any necessary configurations to ensure a stable and successful open network. During this phase, Pi core team hosted several large hackathons that attracted global participation. Notably, the early 2022 hackathon led to the emergence of major projects like Pi Chain Mall, Pi Barter Mall, and PitoGo. Following that, 3 consecutive hackathons were held at universities, culminating in the largest hackathon in Pi Network's history earlier this year. This competition is still being evaluated, awaiting the announcement of winners. Several promising unicorn projects have emerged from this hackathon, including Pi Road Silk, EZ Invoice, and Pi Bridge. Additionally, Pi core team actively sponsored other global hackathons, such as the recent February Hackathon Week in the US. Now the time for open mainnet. Depending on the ecosystem's maturity and KYC progress, Pi core team will determine the final transition to the open mainnet. At this stage, the firewall will be removed, allowing external connections. Pioneers will be able to run their own Pi nodes and API services. The network will also enable connections with other blockchains, and community nodes will be able to operate mainnet freely. Overall, the Open Mainnet represents the pinnacle of Pi Network's journey, with decentralization being the ultimate goal of Pi core team for this phase. What we have been waiting for over the past 5 years has finally come true. The stringent requirements for Open Mainnet have been officially met. Let's revisit these remarkable milestones once more. The Open Network launch date was determined based on the Open Network conditions established and shared with the entire community in December 2023. Pi Network's progress in fulfilling these conditions has accelerated. Thanks to community efforts since the December 2024 update, the network has now met all necessary conditions for Open Network. Specifically, Condition 1, all necessary technological, product, business, and legal tasks required for Open Network have been completed. Condition 2, 19 million pioneers have completed identity verification through the Pi KYC solution, including both fully and temporarily verified users, exceeding the initial requirement of 15 million. 10.14 million pioneers have migrated to Mainnet, surpassing the target of 10 million. Over 100 applications are ready for Mainnet, fulfilling the goal of having at least 100 applications to ensure diversity, engagement, and utility for Pi Network's Open Network launch. Condition 3. There will be no further delays in the Open Network launch, due to external factors or unfavorable conditions. Thus, we have reached the final stage of our incredible 5-year journey with Pi Network. Once again, the official Open Mainnet launch date is February 20th this year. Let's raise a toast and celebrate. Pioneers, we have shared an unforgettable journey together. As we conclude today's video, we want to thank all pioneers for your attention and support. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share to spread the message within the community, helping others understand more about Pi Network and trade safely. See you in the next video.